Guys, I'm doing a very quick haul for you guys today. I can't really apply makeup or anything right now because I have an issue with my hand being like super numb. So I'm just going to do a really quick haul and share what I got with you guys. I went to both a Shoppers Drug Mart and Sephora, and I already put away this stuff I got from Shoppers Drug Mart, but I picked up the Bahama Mama bronzer from the Balm because I've never ever tried it, and I have been trying out quite a few bronzers this year. So I ended up picking this up because I thought it looked really nice and a nice deep color, because the other bronzer that I'm using, the one I got from Marc Jacobs, is such a beautiful finely milled bronzer, but it pretty much matches my skin tone almost for summer anyway. So I wanted to get something a little deeper. And then I also picked up, where did I put that? I picked up the Revolution Makeup Pro Fix Oil Control Setting Spray. And I already have one of these and I didn't realize, but I go through setting spray like crazy. So now I have two of those that I need to use up. And I picked up something else, but for the life of me, I cannot remember what that was. Yeah, I can't remember what that was, so I'm just going to leave it alone. And then I went to Sephora today, and the only reason I went in the store is because they had the sale on still up until today, so end of day. So if you're not, like, if you're seeing this video before close and you need something, go today because the sale is still on. So and it's August 23rd and it ends today. I picked up my Boscia Thermal Black Charcoal Cleanser, and I used this. I'm almost done. I probably have another 2 uses in mine, and I had to get a backup. I also have a small one because I thought you could only get it in the itty bitty size. It's like a 50 ml on the Sephora website, but you can get the 150 ml in the store. So I picked that up. And I also picked up 2 palettes. I got the Violet Voss Sakura Blossom. I really wanted this. I haven't seen any videos or anything on it, but I saw swatches and I thought it was really pretty, and I don't have anything that's really resemblant to this except for like individual shadows, so I wanted to pick that up. And I'm gonna look at it now. I want to check it out right away to see if there's anything like damage inside. I usually do that at the store, but you have to like, it's sealed completely with those little clear tabs. I don't know if you can even see it, but there's a clear round, like a round tab, and then you have to cut that open. So it looks like this. Please forgive me, my wrist is incredibly weak right now. I just went for a half-hour hand and arm massage, and oh my gosh, it was blissful. This is beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful. Oh my gosh. Like, I'm so pumped. I just want to use this right now, and I can't because I can't even hold a makeup brush in my hand for a long period of time. And it has a really nice sized mirror. So definitely excited about this one. I always keep them in, oh, sorry, my hand is really awfully sore. I keep them in their container until, like, the box, until I use them, so that I know which ones I still have not tried out and which ones are new. And then I also bought the Natasha Denona bronze palette because I have been eyeing this one up as well. I have never tried a Natasha Denona palette. I bought the Love palette a few months ago. I haven't tried it yet. Still have to try it. But this one looks like this, and I'm probably going to try this one first because I think I might save the Love palette for more into fall. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. So it has a nice situated mirror, like it's firm, so it moves however you need it to stay. And you can see the mirror is quite large. There's me, and this is the palette. It's so gorgeous. I'm really happy, and I think you can remove these because on the back there's little holes where you would just kind of like push like a toothpick or something through to lift the eyeshadow from the palette. So that's kind of cool if you want to rearrange it. I think that's an awesome option. And then I got a sample of Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel. Sorry, I'm going to sneeze. Sorry about that. So yeah, there's 2 of these. There's an exfoliating and smooth, and then an anti-aging neutralizer. So that's pretty nice. I'm going to do some kind of something with some samples in the future, some kind of project or something, but so I'm like putting all those aside. And then from Amazon, I picked, like I just started selling Mascara Beauty makeup. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with it. If not, check it out. It is fantastic. I will put my link below if you're interested in trying the products out. You can order from that. It would benefit me. I would greatly appreciate your support. That'd be great. They're basically pan creams. And if they get sort of like a dip in them, instead of trying to use around the sides, you just use a warmer like this, which I got on Amazon for $12, and you just put your pans on there and then they just melt down to even again. So it's like no work. You just put them on, walk away, do your thing, come back and lightly take them off. Just be very careful and let them cool down, or shut it off, let them cool down on here, and then put them back in your pan. It's so, or your palette. It's so easy. So I picked up one of these to do that with. Super small, and I can put it like on my vanity here. And then the last thing I picked up, so that when I do my pictures and any kind of promotional stuff for myself, I picked up this LED portable photo studio. There's 2 LEDs included, and it has different color backdrops in it. It's just a small little fabric box, and then you put your products in here, and then you put the LED lights and stuff, and then you take pictures. So it's just so that I have my own personal pictures and stuff, so that when I do my any kind of promotional thing that I want to do and I use my products to take the pictures with, I can do that and feel good about the fact that I'm putting a little bit of extra love and care into my promotion. So yeah, definitely excited to use that. I think it's going to be really fun. So I think this was, so like I said, this was 12 something or $13. And then I think this one was 29, if I'm not mistaken, but I will try and link everything down below if I remember, because I'm just, I have lots going on. So I'll definitely try to remember to do that. Otherwise, the portable photo studio is by Puluz, P-U-L-U-Z. And then the coffee thing is Sultan. It's just a mug warmer by Sultan. So super easy. That's pretty much it. I just wanted to share with you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys again later. Bye.